So hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain about Ombudsman. So what is called Ombudsman? Ombudsman protects bank. Ombudsman is person who protects banks customers from cheatings. Okay, who protects banks customers from cheatings, and all these complaints were taken into consideration by RBI. See here, Ombuds is a person who protects the customers of banks from the cheatings. Okay, and at the same time all these complaints we will give to Ombudsman. So these complaints were taken into consideration by RBI, Reserve Bank of India. And this banking ombudsman scheme is introduced under section 35A of the Banking Regulation Act 1949 by RBI, which came into effect from 1995. And in 1995 this banking ombudsman scheme was introduced, and in 2006 the amendments were brought, and at the same time in 2017 the amendments were came, and in 2018 the amendments were came. And who is banking ombudsman, we will study in detail here. See, the banking ombudsman is a senior official appointed by the RBI to readdress customer complaints against deficiency in certain banking services. See, if bank is not offering proper services to the customer, then the customer has a complete right to give complaint. Here, who will take complaint means he can give complaint to ombudsman. So here banking ombudsman means the senior official person who is appointed by the RBI for the complaints. And banking ombudsman scheme 2006. So what is banking ombudsman 2006 tells that. So this banking ombudsman 2006 is applicable to all scheduled commercial banks, regional rural banks, that is RRB, regional rural banks, and scheduled primary cooperative banks. So what are general powers of banking ombudsman? The general powers of banking ombudsman includes receiving complaints related to banking services, and whenever these complaints are there, then the customer, here I means the customer can give complaint to bank. So if bank does not case of the given complaint, whatever the given complaint by the customer, then the complaint has to be given to ombudsman. So when the complaint has to give against bank, then the complaint has to be given to ombudsman. So then this time ombudsman deals with the bank and aggrieved party and asks person that how much money that a person lost from bank. And here the ombudsman, what he will do is he deals with the aggrieved party and the bank. Aggrieved party means here customer, the person. Okay, so the ombudsman takes action on the bank as per the situation to give back money to that customer whatever he as she has lost. And banking ombudsman scheme 2017. So what is this banking ombudsman scheme 2017 tells that starting from initially, so when initially what the rule is there means if anyone loses money or if anyone loses financially, then ombudsman has a power to give compensation of customer only 10 lakhs fine imposing on banks, by imposing fine only 10 lakhs on banks. But as per 2017 modification means amendment, ombudsman has a right to impose 20 lakhs fine on banks, means here the customer has a right to ask for the compensation of 20 lakhs amount. And for in case of mental anguishness, the customer has a right to get 1 lakh, and for compensation 20 lakh, which is the maximum amount. So initially the minimum amount was 10 lakhs. Banking ombudsman scheme 2018. When it comes to banking ombudsman 2018 amendment was, this scheme was implemented, this scheme has become implemented to NBFCs also. See, when it comes to 2018 amendment, this also became implemented to NBFCs also. So these all about ombudsman, banking ombudsman. So that's all. Thank you for watching.